Every company today, from banks to hospitals, are hunting for one thing, not degrees, not big job titles, but skills, and not just any skills, the kind that drive automation, innovation, and transformation. If you've been wondering which tech skills can actually get you more hired basically in 2026, this video is your complete blueprint. During this video, I'll be sharing the list of top jobs with salaries, and by the end of this video, you'll know the most in-demand roles, what's driving the global shift, and a practical 2-year roadmap to transition, even if you're starting from zero. I'm Saadi Abbas. Over the past 40 years, I have worked across banking, HR, education, and business consulting in industries that were completely reshaped by technology. I've seen two types of professionals: those who wait for change and those who build with it. This video is about becoming the second kind. So let's begin with the roles that every company is desperate to fill right now. Part 1. The high-growth tech roles of 2026. The most in-demand careers in 2026 are the ones that build, secure, and manage our digital future. 1. AI and machine learning engineer. They design the systems that make machines think, from early diseases detection in hospitals to self-learning algorithms in finance. They are the people behind Netflix recommendations, chatbots, and self-driving cars. These engineers are the rock stars of the new economy. And the best part, you don't need to be a coding genius. You need logic, curiosity, and the ability to see patterns. You don't need a tech degree to enter AI. What you really need is the mindset of a problem solver. AI doesn't reward memorization, it rewards curiosity. If you can think logically and solve problems, you already have the foundation to train machines to do what humans can't. Therefore, tech is not just about coding, it's about thinking. 2. Prompt engineer. If you are a good communicator, marketer, or a creative thinker, then you can be a prompt engineer. And no prompt engineer doesn't write codes, they write instructions that make AI tools perform tasks perfectly. If you've ever used ChatGPT and thought, why did it respond that way? A prompt engineer knows how to fix that. 3. Data scientists. I like to call them the detectives of the digital world. They find meaning in chaos, taking thousands of data points and turning them into insights that drive billion-dollar decisions. Every company now runs on data: which product to build, which customers to target, where to expand next. That's why this role will stay at the heart of business transformation. 4. Cloud engineer or architect. The cloud is the new office, the new server, and the new database. Every major company, Amazon, Google, banks, and governments are moving everything to the cloud. Cloud engineers build and maintain that infrastructure. It's a role that ensures stability and long-term growth, because the world will never go offline again. 5. DevOps engineer. Their job to make sure software moves from code to live product smoothly and quickly. Think of them as the conductors of the entire tech orchestra. 6. Cybersecurity specialist. Every new system brings new risks, and that's where cybersecurity experts come in. They are the digital bodyguards, constantly protecting data, networks, and users from attacks. With cyber threats increasing worldwide, this is one of the few careers where demand will always outpace supply. Companies face silent attacks you never hear about. Hackers are trying to steal data, money, and secrets. Cybersecurity experts stop them before they make the news. This skill is one of the best careers to get into right now. High demand, high impact, and future-proof. Cybersecurity, the career that protects the world. 7. Full-stack developer. These are the multi-skilled builders of the digital era. Startups love them because they can handle everything from design to development. Now, what's the common thread in all these roles? They all connect to one goal: making businesses faster, smarter, and more efficient. Part 2. What's driving this demand? There are 4 major forces reshaping global demand. 1. The AI wave. Artificial intelligence isn't a trend, it's a revolution. AI tools are being integrated into every business, from automating customer services to predicting financial risks, and that's why people who can build, guide, or understand AI are becoming the most valuable professionals in the world. 2. The skill gap. There are thousands of open tech positions that remain unfilled because companies can't find the right talent. This is your opportunity. You don't need permission, just commitment. Skills over degrees. If you can show your skill, your degree doesn't matter. This is the first time in history where skill beats pedigree every single time. 3. The tech edge in every profession. Even if non-tech jobs are being reshaped by technology, a chartered accountant who learns blockchain becomes a fintech expert. A lawyer who understands cybersecurity becomes a digital law specialist. A consultant using AI tools becomes 10x more efficient. You can see the importance of knowing technology. 4. The ROI of upskilling. Think of learning tech as compound interest for your career. The cost of learning is temporary. The cost of being outdated is permanent. Part 3. The 2-year tech career transition roadmap. Stage 1. Assessment and research. The first 6 months. Start with what excites you: coding, data, design, or security. Pick a niche, read 50 to 100 job descriptions, and identify skill gaps that you don't have. Stage 2. Learning and certification. Next 6 months, start with free courses, then move to specialized certifications. By the end of the year, you should have both knowledge and hands-on experience that is needed for the job. Stage 3. Networking and immersion. Next 6 months. Your network is your net worth. Engage daily, ask questions, contribute, and learn from experts. The 15-minute rule. Spend just 15 minutes a day engaging with professionals, communities that are on LinkedIn, tech meetups, Slack, Discord, whatever. These are all communities. That small habit can create more opportunities than 10 job applications. Remember, not to ask for jobs, just talk about your ideas and work. Network 15 minutes a day, it changes everything. Stage 4. Application and breakthrough. The final 6 months. Take projects, internships, or freelance work. Showcase your portfolio. Use referrals, not random applications. By the end of 2 years, you'll have skills, credibility, and a career that companies can't ignore. Technology doesn't replace people, it replaces people who refuse to adapt. The most valuable employees won't have the biggest resumes. They'll be the ones who say, I can solve problems using technology. Start your transition today. Now, comment below with tech skills and I will be sharing this list as promised. Subscribe for more career roadmaps and market insights. It's free and supports our channel. All information is straight from 40 years of experience. Thank you.